There are plenty of opportunities to make money on Stellar. Check out this one. It is called as Aquarius and it is the liquidity management layer on Stellar. And if we click on this option of LP rewards, you would be able to see that the total daily rewards are around 7 million Aqua. And if we convert it into the dollar price, then that's more than $7,500, or if we check out at the current price, then it is around $8,000 approx, and that's more than $240,000 per month. And it all depends on your skills and how much money are you willing to deploy in the ecosystem of Stellar in order to make most out of these rewards. And this is just one single avenue of making money on Stellar. There are some others as well, and in this video we will explore all of them. And this is a weekly vlog that I'm willing to upload on Sundays mostly, and not mostly, but I will try to stick to the Sundays as to keep it quite regular. And it is going to be like a solo podcast where I will be documenting my journey on Stellar, so you could also get some pieces of information out of it to make money yourself in your life. But do your own research before following me or following anyone else on internet, because it's you and your knowledge or your research that is going to pay you the most. So it's better to rely on you than someone else. And I will also reveal my current earnings from Aquarius at the end of this video, so make sure that you watch it till the end. Also on Aquarius there are plenty of ways that you can make money. This 7 million Aqua is divided among the STX rewards and the AMM rewards. There's a difference in them, but the core of the earning of these rewards is simple. You have to provide the liquidity either in the automated market making or through the Stellar DEX. So the more liquidity that you provide, the better your chances of earning these rewards. There's more to these rewards, as this is just one aspect. The other aspect is you can also earn the bribes on Aquarius. For that, if we click on the bribes, then let me open up the bribes section, and here we go. You can see that all the volume generated by different pairs of the cryptos on Stellar will be a portion of the volume will be given out as rewards to the users or the voters of the liquidity layer, which is the Aquarius. So it's better to vote as well for different pairs to get the money. And there's more to it, but let's first discuss the bribes. In the bribes section, the different pairs or the different projects can also offer the bribes to you, so you get to vote for them for the bribes, and they will also rank higher in the reward section. So this way they will be seen in the rewards by majority of the people that will be surfing through the Aquarius rewards or the Aquarius liquidity layer, and they will also be making money out of it, because the higher the rank of the pair in the reward section, the more the rewards. Let me show you it. Like when we click on LP rewards, you can see that the ranking of different pairs is there, and it depends on the voting of that particular pair. The higher number of votes a particular pair receives, the higher the ranking will be, and that way they would be getting more rewards. Like at the bottom, you would be able to see that this particular pair is earning 47,000 Aqua per day. And if we check out the one that is at the top, it is earning 700,000 Aqua per day. So that there's a cap to it, like 700,000 is the cap for any particular pair. So this is how it all works. Now if we participate in the AMM, which is like providing liquidity for this particular pair or any other pair, then we would be getting AMM rewards. If we participate on the STX side, then we would be getting this one. And if we vote for any particular pair, then we would be getting the bribes. So there are like 3 different rewards for 3 different actions, and you can also check out the current bribes as well as the upcoming bribes and vote accordingly. Now there's one more feature that can give you an edge when it comes to voting and getting more rewards, and also it can help you out in earning more rewards from AMM and SDEX as well, which is the lock-in feature of Aqua. If you lock your Aqua, then you would be getting more out of it. You can get you can lock 1 million Aqua and get 10 million or 100 million Aqua out of it, depending on the amount of time for which you are going to lock it and the number of Aqua and ice that you will be getting for it. So this way you would be getting more ice. Ice is like the Aqua, but it is a multiplier. It gives a multiplier effect to Aqua when it comes to voting, and also it gives you more rewards. If your wallet holds more ice, then you would be getting more rewards. Let me know in the comment section if you don't understand anything. I would be including all those details in the upcoming video in the next week. So moving on, let's check out another platform on Stellar that gives you some money. So this is Blend Capital, and here you just have to connect your wallet and you get to see different pools. And when we select any particular pool over here, you can see that if you provide XLM, you would be earning some money. If you provide USDC, you would be earning some money. And these are the different rates that you can get. But if we click on this option of backstop balance, then you would be getting around 60%, more than 60% APR, which is quite good. And this deposit needs to be made in either the native token of Blend Capital, which is Blend, or USDC. And it will be divided in 80-20 ratio, where 80% of the amount will go to Blend and 20% will be to USDC. This way, if the price of Blend increases, then you would see an appreciation in your overall value, as well as you would be getting 60% APR on top of that. So this way you would be earning from Blend Capital as well. There are some other ways or tricks as well in order to use Blend Capital along with Aquarius, the earlier platform that we saw, but we will discuss more about it in the upcoming vlogs. The other way to make money on Stellar is Dogstar, and here you can participate in Dogstar League and all the different events that goes on in the Dogstar ecosystem, where currently this one is going on. And here you get the opportunity to earn 300 million XStar, which is the native currency or the token of Dogstar League or the Dogstar project. So it depends on the volume generated. So the more volume one generates gets the more price. And this is the regular one, which is the Dogstar League. You can simply create your account using it and then speculate the price of different assets, and on the basis of that you would be earning some money. And it is absolutely risk free because you don't have to put your money into it. You just have to guess, and if your guess is better than the rest of the people participating in this league, then you would end up making money. Now there's another platform which is Phoenix DeFi Hub, and over here you get different APRs depending on the different pools that are there. And for the PHO and USDC pool, it is around 50.9% APY or APR, if I'm right. You just have to bound the assets and then deposit them, and make sure that you deposit it correctly, otherwise you will end up not making any money. So check out all these platforms. They are quite good, and it really takes time to understand these platforms. That's why I'm planning to create a comprehensive guide on how to make money in the Stellar ecosystem. So even a crypto beginner might be able to understand it and then use those strategies, because it took me years and years to understand these different actions on these platforms, and I have lost plenty of money, to be honest, in order to make money, because whenever you are new to these systems, you get fascinated by the amount of rewards that you are getting, and the greed in you just kicks in and makes you so greedy that you just take hell lot of risk, and that risk backfires and you end up losing your capital. It has happened with me like a lot of times. It took me actually a lot of time to have that balance where I'm able to manage my risk as well as my rewards. Currently, I don't take that much of a risk when it comes to making money or the rewards on Stellar as of now, because I know how much it can hurt when you lose your capital and you have to build from scratch all over again. Well, as for my rewards, let me switch on the video screen recording for this one. So this is my Lobster wallet. Let me go to the transactions. And here you can see that the rewards are received on the hourly basis. Some platforms give rewards on the daily basis, some on weekly, some on hourly basis. It all depends on your strategies and the platform that you are utilizing. And as for the Aquarius, you get to receive the rewards on hourly basis. Currently, I am receiving around 400 Aqua, and I have deployed around $3,200 of capital in the Aquarius to earn this much reward. And if we calculate the total amount, then let me open up calculator. That's 288,000 Aqua. Let's open up Lobster. So it comes around to be $327 per month, which is quite good if we look at the amount of capital that I have deployed in this particular wallet. And if you want to calculate the percentage, let me do that as well. That will be slightly higher than 10%, which is quite good if we compare it with the other avenues of making money. 10% monthly is quite good. People usually get that for the yearly, like you're getting more than yearly returns in just 1 month, which is insane. And if you want to learn about it, then make sure to comment down below. I will answer all your questions in the next or the upcoming vlog. And I'm also working on a comprehensive guide that I might release in future if the response is good on these vlogs. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also hit that like button. See you in the next vlog on next Sunday.